Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from an Apple gift card to Apple Pay. Alright, let's begin. To answer this question and see if we can transfer money from a gift card that we can redeem directly to Apple Pay, we can head into the Apple website where we can find the gift card section. As you can see in this page, they have an overview of how Apple gift card cards work and what you can do with them. Of course, the major usefulness of an Apple gift card is for you to redeem it into your Apple account. It's going to give you the appropriate amount of balance that you can use on the Apple Store to purchase different Apple products, accessories, games, apps, etc. You might be wondering if there is any way to transfer it to your Apple Cash balance in order to use it alongside Apple Pay. In this page, we have no information regarding Apple Pay. However, if we go into the discussions page for the Apple website, where other users can help each other by answering questions, you will notice that this user told us that Apple gift cards can be redeemed onto your Apple ID account's balance only. They cannot be added to your Apple Cash account in any way. Gift cards cannot be added to Apple Cash. So, unfortunately, this means that it is not possible to transfer money directly from an Apple gift card to Apple Pay aka Apple Cash. You will have to redeem your Apple gift card and use it. Use the balance in any Apple Store where it is eligible. You will not be able to transfer money from a gift card to Apple Pay or Apple Cash. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that it is not possible to transfer money from the gift card to Apple Pay. So that's basically how you can transfer money from an Apple gift card to Apple Pay. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.